material things, but they don't mean that much to me. It could all go tomorrow, but you're the only one I'll ever need. If I can't please you and you can't please me, then call me a taxi. I would give it all away, take everything I have from me. There ain't nothing that can take your place, 'cause loving ain't material thing.
Mountains on the kids blue.
Yeah. Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay. At the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shorty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you.
If the mountains on the cans blue, need one for both hands, baby, grab two. Lay out on the front and get your tan on. Water to my knees, 100 deep out of the sandbar. No keeping track of time, fuck a last call. Eyes on the prize, everyone looking like who she. Baby, off one in that two-piece. Water clear is my intentions, I could make it splash. What's the cost of risking it all? I can pay in cash. It feels right. Drop the anchor down, we'll be here for a while. Got me thinking about all the good times coming our way, oh yeah.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay. At the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shorty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you. If it's okay, you can slide. You can slide any way that you like. It's a try-tune, take you on a ride. Making waves all day through the night. Hit the sandbar, baby, I can stand up.
It feels right. Drop the anchor down, we'll be here for a while. Got me thinking about all the good times coming our way, oh yeah.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay. At the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shorty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you.
Pass me a cold one, we're only getting
It's been a few months, I think we're so, since we decided to let things go. Been hard on my heart, 'cause I
相当きつい。
every decision. I guess I regret not giving it more time to see if it was all just in my mind. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong. Been meeting new friends, catching up with old. I think about it in a different way, 'cause you're not who I'm telling them about. They ask if I'm with or without. Yeah, I just want to be sure that I don't want you anymore. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Maybe I was Hey, I don't know if you're listening to the things I say. I've been thinking about how I let you down. Remember when I told you I thought that everything was gonna be okay? I wish I could go back, 'cause I'd change every single word and every mistake. Still can't let you go. I can't let you go. Even though I know you're never coming back home. Hey, I hate the fact I don't hear a thing when I call your name. All the memories that the silence brings. Remember when we used to pick flowers for decorating back at your place? But now the only flowers are flowers that I've been laying down on your grave. Still can't let you